Ie, mae'n rhaid yn gallu popio, maen nhw'n... Maen nhw'n bottom Chris, ie.
Ie, pan maen nhw wedi dechrau pasio i amser, maen nhw'n...
Fatha pan maen nhw tua seis fel o, kind of, ma'n popio ni. O, ie, no, clic bach. O, flodyn mamfi, diolch, os bod o'n clicio. Ie, ni'n dweud pan oedd ni'n dal bus ysgol sy'n cera pasio a popio nhw i gyd rydw ffordd, so sy'n cymryd tua oriau gyrraedd adra ar ôl ysgol, achos bod hi'n popio nhw.
It's nice and cooling on your hands, isn't it? The temperature's really...
There's a tiny spider here.
Have you found one?
What was fucking llefrith in English?
Cuckoo flower.
Cuckoo flower. Well, that's funny, because clychau'r gorge.
Yeah.
Yeah. And gorge is...
Oh, it fell. No, we crown you again. Yay!
You've done the mate down to the bag.
That's right. I've not seen any May actually at all in here. But you don't often find it in a woodland. You find it higher up on its own in moorland. It's more grumpy. It doesn't really like to be in the forest. But sometimes you get them. But there's no blackberry either.
No.
Blackthorn either that I've seen. Because you often get that at the edge.
Yeah.
And it just comes in en masse.
Can you imagine giving a kid one of these for Christmas? That's your Christmas present. Like that. They wouldn't be happy, I don't think.
No, you can't plug it in.
No.
It's got no batteries. You don't need batteries.
So it's about what they used to do in the area. It's like Curig and Ellis, meetings and top stuff.
Tracking where everybody's come from so that we can kind of gauge where people are in relation to the points. So apparently, and then you just bring it forward.
It's nice to be deep, isn't it?
The leaves are quite sheeny, they've got like a sheen to them.
On the roof, yeah. And that's a new thing,
So maybe you crush it a little bit. And have a little smell of that.
Oh yes. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Horrible problem.
Don't think that's so.
Don't eat them.
Yeah.
Comb and dirt and everything. Do on this. See, that's made it darker.
Oh,
that's
yes.
good. So we'll get a nice dark brown from this one. And this should make it all kind of fizzy and powdery. I'll just leave that. So it's basically, it's grinding it down again and blending it with the the gum out.
Nice one, huh?
And I think when we paint with it, it should be more yellow than that. So will you paint? I remember it happened.
Yes, thank you very much. No, say no to they just
okay,
take one. Thank you.
What's it called? It's larch.
And then this is what happens to the cone after the winter. And then, I mean, this, believe it or not, is actually alive because the leaves are starting to come through on there. And yeah, but yeah, so they'll hang on for a few years, provide a bit of food for birds and alike. But yeah, no, they're beautiful little flowers. I'm going to get my camera out. I've got my camera today, not just my phone, because I just think it's the best time of year. The light is fantastic, and it's just so much to see.
Reichenbachiana, as in Reichenbach. Petals stick up like rabbit's ears, yep. And most of all, see that little bit there? It's called a spur, and that spur is dark. This is Veronica camidris. English is Germander speedwell, which is a bit of a mouthful, but the Welsh name is much better. Llygad Dolly, Hwn ydi Llygad Dolly, which means doll's eyes.